Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that PEPE has broken out a quite long-term resistance of inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this weekly resistance, it has pumped very well. And the target that I was telling you in my previous video was approximately at 465. And so far, you can see that the price line has rallied up to 362. And so far, from this low of September 2023 up till this high, it has rallied more than 503%. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this down channel. And you can see that after the breakout from this channel, it has also broken out this quite long-term resistance zone that was starting from 136 and goes to 146. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024. And so far, this move has produced more than 311%. Very, very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024. That was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that PEPE formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far it has produced almost 311%. Very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of PEPE, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously I've been showing you a very huge double bottom that PEPE formed while moving inside this previous down channel. You can see it was moving inside this channel. And here we had a fake out and got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 136 and goes to 146. And we entered the same down channel. And here we formed a very, very big double bottom. And while the formation of this double bottom, it also broke out this very long-term down channel as well. Therefore, I was telling you that now we can expect a very, very massive pump. And you can see that it rallied very well, but got stuck inside in another down channel. This was the support and resistance. We broke out this channel. By the way, before breaking out this channel, we also broke out this falling wedge pattern as well that was formed within this down channel. And after the breakout, we also had another downtrend line resistance here that was coming from here. You can see we got rejection here, here, and here as well. And after some price accumulation between this resistance and support, the previous resistance of the channel was working as a support, and this resistance, finally the price and broke out this downtrend and resistance, and now it is geared up very well and broke out this very huge resistance of 136 to 146. And after that, we had a very massive pump. And now recently, we have broken out this resistance of 297 as well. If we move back, and here you can see that this level has been breaking as a resistance. Let me show you this resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart. Then we can see that previously it has been working as a resistance here for a few hours back here when it was moving inside this previous first channel. You can see it was breaking as a resistance here, and now again it is breaking. It was breaking as a resistance. Now it can break as a support. Now the next major resistance can be the top of this first candlestick, that is at 439. That can be a very strong psychological resistance. You can see this is the highest price of the month of May 2023 of this first candlestick, and right now it is breaking out this resistance of 297 on a 4-hour. Even on the daily time frame chart, you can see after the breakout it is retesting this previous resistance as a support. In case of a successful retest, it can make another attempt to break out this next long-term resistance. Now if we take a look at this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, you can see it has pumped very well after breaking out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And I was telling you that the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be here that will be approximately at 460. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.